My name is Minh Hua. I'm the Chief Talent Officer for Stanley Black Decker. At our company, we're serious about getting business done, but sometimes we can also get casual and have some fun.
I'm really digging Min's vibe. This is gonna be a fun episode. I'm Emmanuel Acho. I host Simply Put, and hopefully, you're watching. We're here to take the problems out of business and replace them with simple solutions. Case in point, what's trickier than winning the battle for talent and retaining your awesome employees? Chief Talent Officer Stanley Black Decker, Minh Hua, have it all figured out. And we sat down with him for some no-nonsense advice you can start using today. Driving his lessons home is our Salesforce friend, Ali Yagki, a senior product marketing manager who knows her stuff. Since we're getting casual on this one, someone want to grab me a chair? I'll wait. Let's roll.
I love finding that gem of a talent or helping that person find their true strength and seeing their eyes light up and their body language react. Simply put, my job is to help people and teams be successful. There are two big challenges at Stanley Black Decker that we're facing. We are today in the fiercest war for talent that we have seen in our lifetime. And what we need to do is create an environment where people want to come to, people can learn, and people can grow. The second challenge is to unleash the potential of all of our employees. We have 55,000 employees. Most of them can do more than what they're doing today. Our challenge is to reskill, upskill, empower, and let them move up the value chain. We've got a great relationship with Salesforce. Oftentimes, I'll tell my team and I'll tell companies that pitch to us that listen, we're not looking for a vendor, we're looking for a strategic partner. Salesforce is great because the team is collaborative, they're experts in their field, and they really care about what they're doing. So they help us be successful so that we can help our people and teams be successful. We hear from employees that they love to be productive, they love to spend time on what's meaningful. That productivity improves our engagement scores and it gives time back to our employees.
Leave it to Stanley Black Decker to assemble a quality team and a sturdy employee environment. Now I'm ready to dig into some insider advice. How about you?
Are you talking to me? I mean, I'm always ready. Let's do this.
All right, Ali, here's this episode's top 3 tips for building a team that can lead in any industry from anywhere. Tip number 1, choose tech for the team.
You hit the nail on the head, Emmanuel. Sorry, had to say it. Our studies show that CIOs agree. People are at the heart of digital transformation. You've got to make sure your people have the tools they need to thrive. You need platforms that can unlock all the talent you have, that support the full spectrum, from clicks to code. Low-code solutions like App Builder enable business users to drag and drop solutions together, and even integrate them with other databases, all without writing any code. Got any more for us, Emmanuel?
Oh, you know it, Ali. Tip number 2, break down silos with experiences.
Yes, let's knock those barriers down. Help everyone work better together with experiences that put all the necessary data and capabilities on the table. Find a solution like MuleSoft Composer, which integrates the employee experience across teams. You'll all be more efficient than ever with a simple, shared view of the data your teams rely on. From customer history to partner agreements, even employee onboarding progress. And talk it through in real time, directly in Slack.
Next up, tip number 3, reskill and upskill.
Nice one. We love to see our teammates grow and succeed. Learning platforms like Trailhead make it easy to broaden your skill set. Need to start automating common workflows or creating new applications on the Salesforce platform? Trailhead's got a course for that. And it's available for free to you right now. Yep, you. And with Trailhead, Min and his team can personalize learning to Stanley Black Decker's needs with streamlined employee onboarding that blends technical know-how with company-specific best practices. Well, that's my spiel. Back to you, Min.
The biggest outcome of the collaboration between HR and IT is that we no longer create people solutions in silo, And we no longer create technology solutions as siloed. Now we're all at the same table, creating the best solution from both a IT technology standpoint and a people standpoint to solve these business problems. And that's a win. My name is Minh Hua, and you're watching Simply Put.
All right, we learned a lot, but it's time to put your pencils down because we're wrapping up. I want to give a huge thanks to Stanley Black Decker for sharing their stories with us. Teamwork and power tools. What more could you want? And a big shout out to Allie for walking us through the steps to collaboration success. Well, that's it for me, but hit me up if you need a host for any home improvement specials. I'm Emmanuel Acho. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.